Good morning, dear students. Let's continue with the topic vegetative reproduction, or we can say vegetative propagation. So, what is vegetative propagation? It is a production of offspring, or we can say new plants, from vegetative propagules in the plants. Vegetative propagules are the unit of vegetative propagation. So this we have already done that birds, eyes of the potato tuber use, rhizome of banana and ginger, adventitious bud of the bryophyllum, bulbil of agave, offset of water hyacinth, runner, sucker, tuber, bulb, etc. use. So now what is vegetative propagation? What is the proper definition of the vegetative propagation? It is a type of asexual reproduction. Why vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction? Because that is only one parent is required here also. Okay, so in which vegetative part of the plant like root, leaf, stem, bud is used other than the seed for producing new plantlets. So vegetative propagation is a form of asexual reproduction of a plant. How? Because only one parent is involved and offspring is the result of one parent only. The new plant is genetically identical to the parents. That's why vegetative propagation is also known as the part of the asexual reproduction of a plant. So now definition of vegetative propagules. What are the vegetative propagules? In plants, unit or structure of vegetative propagation like root, leaf, stem, tuber, bulb, these are which are capable of giving rise to new plantlets. Okay, so just see runner. First vegetative propagules is runnel, and in which plant it is used? It is used in the gladiolus. Second is rhizome. Rhizome is a part of the nodes and internodes के बीच का part है, that is in the ginger. Sucker, that is used in the mint. Tuber, that is a eyes, okay, which is used, that is in potato. Next is offset, that you can say the structure in between the stem of the nodes, that is water hyacinth. Offset part is used in water hyacinth. Bulb is a vegetative propagule that is used in the onion. तो बेटा आपको इसमें क्वेश्चन जो है 1 मार्क में आ सकता है कि नेम द वेजिटेटिव प्रोपग्यूल्स ऑफ लाइक रनर इज अ वेजिटेटिव प्रोपग्यूल, सो गिव वन एग्जांपल. ओके, rhizome, give one example. Ginger. Sucker, mint. Tuber, or in which in potato which part is used as a vegetative propagules? Okay, so these are the vegetative propagules. So you can see these are the eyes in the potato. Tuber is used, and just see this is an adventitious root coming from this bud. These are two nodes. In between these two nodes, this is rhizome through which the new roots are arises. And you can see this is adventitious bud in bryophyllum, and this is onion. Bulb is used clear. So you just see water hyacinth offset. This is a between, these are the two nodes in between this stem, that offset part is used. जब ये offset part that come in contact with the damp soil, new roots are produced. Just see here. Okay. So asexual vegetative lower animals, simple single cell organism. Asexual reproduction in higher plants. Okay, simple plants, lower animal, simple single cell organism में asexual reproduction होता है, but in higher plants vegetative propagation is used. So next topic is continue with this terror of Bengal. It is the aquatic plant which is known as the terror of Bengal, that is water hyacinth. Aquatic plant hai, live in water, which is the one of the most invasive weed growing whether there is a standing water. जहाँ पे भी standing water होता है, it covers the whole pond, पूरे pond को cover कर लेता है, इतना ज़्यादा ये फैलता है. ठीक है, जो इसका ऑफसेट है when it come in contact with the damp soil, so at that time that grows into new roots and new plant produce. So what is the harmful effect of that plant which is used as a ornamental plant in our country? It drain oxygen from the water, cause death of the fishes naturally. If suppose one pond is there and एक भी प्लांट वाटर हाइकिंग का अगर वहाँ पे चला जाता है तो व्हाट इट डू, इट ड्रेन आउट ऑल द ऑक्सीजन, पहले तो पूरा पॉन्ड में फैल जाएगा ड्यू टू देयर वेजिटेटिव पार्ट दैट ऑफसेट ग्रो when it come in contact of the dam soil. उसके बाद due to lack of oxygen the cause the death of the fishes. So this plant was introduced in India as an ornamental plant, मतलब decoration के लिए, with beautiful flowers and shape of the leaves. सो टेरर ऑफ बंगाल क्यों कहा, क्योंकि बंगाल के हर एक वाटर एरिया में दैट कवर्स होल पॉन्ड, और वहाँ पर जो है इतना ज़्यादा फैल गया कि दैट कॉज द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एट दैट टाइम, डेथ ऑफ द फिशेस. This plant propagated vegetatively very fast. And which part is used? The site of origin of new plant in this plant is the node present in the modified stem of this plant. Whenever these nodes come in contact with the damp soil, water produce new root and new plant. आप देख सकते हो, this is a stem. ओके स्टेम के बीच में यहीं पर नोड्स होते हैं. व्हेन इट कम इन कांटेक्ट विद द, क्योंकि एक्वेटिक है, कम इन कांटेक्ट विद द दैट सॉइल, देखिए न्यू रूट्स आ गई. सो दिस पार्ट बिटवीन टू नोड्स स्टेम के अंदर, दिस इज नोन एज द ऑफसेट. So last is of vegetative propagation is bryophyllum. In leaves of bryophyllum, just see so many adventitious birds arises. Okay, birds arises from the notch present on the margin of the leaf. See, this is a margin of the leaf, और यहाँ पर जो है new birds arises. ठीक है. So this uh, is benefit for the farmers. Okay, this ability is fully exploited by the farmers for commercial propagation of the plant. Commercial मतलब large scale सेल करने के लिए. तो जितनी ढेर सारी बर्ड्स आती हैं, दैट ऑल आर रिमूव एंड फ्रॉम दिस न्यू प्लांट कैन अराइजेस. So your topic of vegetative propagation finished. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.